Hi, this is David Kim with David Kim Group. Welcome to my newest listing on 107 Beacon Street in Mountain View. I'm thrilled to introduce you to this home, not only because my family has lived in this community, but also because it offers an incredible value. Did you know that a home of this size hasn't been sold for over 20 years here? That's because this home is priced at least a couple $1 million less than a similar sized home in Los Altos, all within the same school district. This exceptional property has been beautifully renovated, representing a proud David Kim Group transformation. With a modern floor plan, spacious layout, and abundant natural light from large windows and high ceilings, boasting nearly 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 2.5 bathrooms, let's step inside and take a look. As you step inside, prepare to be wowed by the seamless blend of modern updates and timeless charm. The open floor plan sets the stage for a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. At the heart of this home lies the gourmet kitchen. The sleek new countertops, stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet storage, pantry, and charming breakfast alcove are all designed to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Upstairs, discover the tranquil oasis of this primary bedroom, complete with luxurious ensuite bathroom, double closets, vaulted ceiling, and plenty of natural light, ensuring peaceful nights and refreshing mornings. 3 additional bedrooms offer comfort and functionality, while the loft provides endless possibility for customization. Whether it's an office space, a play area, or a cozy reading nook, this flexible space adapts to your lifestyle needs. Step outside to a private patio, an ideal setting for al fresco dining, soaking in a beautiful California sun. Convenience is key with a 2-car attached garage, providing secure parking and additional storage space. Plus, the garage features new epoxy flooring, adding both durability and aesthetic appeal to this functional space. When you're here, be sure to check out all the amenities, including clubhouse, heated pool and spa, a park with pagoda, and a playground structure for kids. But it's not just about this home, it's about the lifestyle. This outstanding location boasts a walk score of 84 and a bike score of 99, making it a walker and cyclist paradise. The plethora of shopping includes Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Safeway, Hispanic Market, Target, Walmart, movie theater, dog park, amazing restaurants including Chef's Shoes, and much, much more. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions or want to schedule a showing, please give me a call. See you soon.